because then the risk for that business is substantial, not just in relation to the action that might be taken against them, but also in terms of their corporate reputation. It would be difficult to recover if knowingly you hadn't done the right thing and there was a mass breakout because of something on your premises.
One industry that has been calling for certainty about when they can reopen is function centres and wedding planners and the like. They're making the point that they should be allowed to open to more than 20 people for a wedding, and in fact today one wedding venue operator said he's going to open on July 1 for unlimited patrons regardless of what the rules are. Why should they still face these strict restrictions when 20,000 people were able to pass this?
Well, look, these restrictions are based on health advice, and they're not there because anybody wants to impose restrictions. They're there because we know they keep people safe. And the health experts, as late as today, are gathering about the future of restrictions and what advice they might give. And in New South Wales, we have really pushed the boundaries. We've made sure that as soon as we've had the green light from the health experts, we've jumped ahead of what the other states have done, especially in relation to businesses and jobs. And we've taken a huge leap of faith because this is a partnership. Business and government and community have been working together to make sure we keep New South Wales as COVID safe as possible. And we want to make sure that good work continues. But I want to let every industry know that our frame of mind is definitely one in which further restrictions will be announced. One in which, because we are doing well, we can continue to look at the further easing of restrictions, but that will be put at risk if all of us don't keep working together to do the right thing, and that is really important.
What are you going to do? Business Premier?
I'm sorry?
Will you be stamping on that particular business, punishing that business if it goes ahead and opens and disregards all of the rules?
Absolutely, because as regulators, as Minister Dominello explained, there are a number of different types of regulators that check up on businesses all the time, and they will now have a COVID-safe checklist as well. But it's up to all of us as patrons and as staff and the businesses themselves. We believe that businesses to date have done an outstanding job. In fact, the businesses that have contacted the New South Wales government, we've had, I think Minister Dominello's latest figures were 8,000 businesses have already downloaded the COVID-safe checklist. Now that is outstanding given it hasn't been around for a very long time. So we are very heartened by the response we've had, and the vast majority of businesses, just like the vast number of people in the community, want to do the right thing. They just want guidance and certainty, and that's what our government is doing. And I don't think I've seen any other state provide a checklist as we have, because it gives people confidence to open up, but it also gives people confidence to turn up to a venue and know that they can take loved ones knowing that venue has downloaded all the checklists and done everything it can to be safe. And that's the kind of environment we want, because none of us know when the cure will be found. None of us will know when the vaccine will be available. So we don't know how long we have to live in a COVID-safe environment. That's why it's so important for businesses to follow down this path. And even as restrictions are eased further, businesses will still be able to maintain that COVID-safe baseline, because we know that some level of social distancing and definitely hand hygiene will need to be part of our lives until there is a cure or a vaccine. And this system we've established in New South Wales gives people that certainty about moving forward.